What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. So for today's video, once again, I am partnering up with Fashion Nova to bring you guys this clothing haul. This one in particular is centered around denim. I know those of you guys up in the Northern Hemisphere will find this one helpful since you guys are currently transitioning into the cooler weather. So I do have a bunch of denim to show you guys, not just jeans, but also a few jackets and a jumpsuit romper as well. I don't know exactly what you guys call it. Got to double check that. But yes, if you guys want to see me try these on and let you guys know what I think of them, the quality, the fit, the feel, and all of that good stuff, then just keep on watching. So if you enjoy this video or you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get into it. I'm going to go through all the jeans that I picked out to show you guys today. This first pair is actually my favorite pair that I've possibly ever tried from Fashion Nova. Out of all the jeans that I've ever tried from Fashion Nova, I think these would have to be my favorite. So these are the Denim Softly side split jeans. Now they just look like any regular jeans, but I'll go through the details of them with you because I honestly feel like when I put these on, I felt like a supermodel because they make my legs look long. Like, they make my legs go for days, and I think that really comes down to the fact that they are very high-waisted, they're very form-fitting, and they're quite stretchy as well, which I do like in jeans because it really molds to the shape of your body, which I do like. But in terms of the leg, it is a straight leg. It doesn't taper or widen or anything. It's just straight all the way down, and it does have that cute little split at the bottom. And honestly, you guys will see in the try-on portion of this video, they make me look 10 times taller than what I am. Like, I'm not that tall, you guys. Last time I checked, I'm about 5'4", 5'5" in height, and these make me look a lot taller than what I am. I actually FaceTimed my fiance after I put them on, and he really liked them on me as well, so they are definitely fiance approved. But yeah, I love the fit, I love the way that they feel. They're really comfy. I do really enjoy jeans that are high-waisted. I just feel like those are much more flattering on me as opposed to like hip-hugging jeans, or rather low-rise jeans. Those just don't really flatter my body shape as well. But like I said, these feel amazing on. I got these in a size 1 for reference, if you guys are wondering. I feel like I could have gone down to a size 0, but I like that these are nice and stretchy and they have a little bit of give in them, so I'm happy that I went with the size 1. Honestly, let me tell you, if you're looking for a pair of like straight leg jeans that'll make you look tall, go for these, because seriously, you guys can see for yourself, they make me look so much taller and they make my legs look like they go for days. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely feel like the trend lately has been that of wide leg jeans, not so much skinny jeans. I feel like the move lately has definitely been more of like the wide leg, kind of like mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, that kind of thing. Skinny jeans aren't really so much of what I see around these days. I feel like, you know, more wider, slouchy, comfortable jeans are the vibe at the moment. So these ones are actually called the 70s vibe wide leg jeans, and they're exactly that. They're high-waisted, they sit really nicely on my waist, and as you guys will see on the try-on portion, they are very wide-legged. They do kind of taper out just slightly, nothing too crazy with it. Like, it's just a little bit of tapering to them where they kind of go wider at the bottom. But once again, I got these in a size 1, so I love the way that they fit around my waist. The denim is stretchy as well. Like, it does have a little bit of elasticity to it, so it's not super rigid. It does kind of form to the curves of your body really nicely, which I do like. As I said, they are high-waisted, and I do actually like the pleats that it has going on in the front here. I feel like that gives a little bit more detail to it as opposed to just being completely regular as usual jeans would be. They do have that like pleating detail along the front, as you guys can see, and I like the color as well. I feel like you can never go wrong with a pair of jeans that are just this basic blue denim color. Pair that up with a white tee and you're good to go. And yeah, I really like the fit of these. I've really been liking more of the slouchy type of jeans lately because I feel like it's kind of like you're wearing sweatpants and they're very comfortable, but obviously they're not sweatpants, they're jeans. So it's like the comfort of sweatpants without actually wearing sweatpants. Also, I did pick these up in a size 1. I definitely feel like I could have dropped down to a size 0, but when it comes to jeans, I like to have a little bit of wiggle room in them, especially around the waist, because you know how it is when we have a big meal. You kind of want to have a bit of room in there to let the food settle, let your tummy be comfortable. So yeah, I did get these in a size 1, and I'm glad I did, because I feel like that gives me a good nice fit, but also some room to them as well. Next up we have some mum jeans, and these are actually called just that, the original mum jeans in medium blue. Now these are actually very comfortable. They aren't too long on me, but they aren't too short. As you guys will see, they're kind of like ankle grazers. They aren't loose at the bottom like the other pairs of pants that I've showed you guys. They do fit nicely around my legs, which is great. But the thing about them as well, they are high-waisted, which you guys know I do love anything high-waisted. I feel like that's very flattering on my body shape. But the thing about them as well that I didn't realize, they actually have like some random slits in them. Where's the other one? Okay, there's one here on the knee, and then there's also this like cheeky little one on the back as well. I didn't realize that until I tried it on, and I was like, oh, okay, that's like a little bit of a peekaboo rip right there, but I actually liked it. I feel like lately I haven't really been going for jeans that are too, you know, ripped up and distressed, but these ones aren't too bad. Like, it's like a little sneaky little rip in there, but it's not too much, if that makes sense. But yeah, as I said, these are called the original mum jeans. They are stretchy, like the denim does have stretch to them, which is great. Once again, I did pick these up in a size 1, and they're super comfy to wear. I feel like they fit my form and hug my body really nicely, and for being mum jeans, I feel like these are very, very flattering. Next up, I have another pair of mum jeans to show you guys. These are called the On Angel Wings mum jeans. Now the cute thing about this is that on the back pocket it actually has this like printed painting of a little cherub angel, which I thought was really cute, because as you guys can see, they are just a basic plain light wash denim mum jean, but I think it's really cute how it has that design on the back pocket, as you guys can see, which I feel like is really trending. Anything to do with like angels, butterflies, that kind of thing, I feel like is really in at the moment, so I thought that was really sweet. But yeah, if you guys know me, you know that I am a lover of light wash denim, so instantly as soon as I saw this pair, I knew I loved the wash and color of them. Now I did get these in a size 1. This one, however, is not like the other pairs of jeans that I've shown you guys. It doesn't actually have any stretch whatsoever to the denim. Yeah, as far as I can tell, it's pretty rigid and stiff, so there's no stretch. And I did have a little bit of difficulty getting these over my hips. Like, no lie, I was literally sitting there like trying to tug on it to pull it up over my hips, but I got there eventually. It could be a little bit tighter around my waist, but I think if I dropped down to a size 0, I definitely wouldn't have been able to get them over my hips, so I'm glad that I stuck with the size 1. But yeah, I actually really like these. The denim on this is really thick as well. Like I said, it is a very rigid and stiff denim. There's no stretch to it, so I imagine there's not really any elastic within the material of the fabric. But the thing with them as well, since I said that they are a mum jean, the bottom kind of does taper in ever so slightly, so I did cuff them, and I feel like that looks really flattering as well. And I just feel like this is a really nice basic pair of mum jeans. As you guys will see with all the jeans that I tried on in this haul today, I am just wearing a basic cropped white tee, and that's honestly my favorite way to wear any jeans, is just throw them on with a white tee, some clean sneakers, heels, whatever it may be, and I feel like that's a really classic go-to outfit for me. As I said, I love light wash denim, and I just love the cute little printed angel on the back. Next up, I actually picked up a pair of joggers. I think that's what these are called. To me, I don't really know. I've never had pants that are like this style, if that makes sense. But I picked them up because I thought they looked really cool, trendy. The only thing that I don't like fancy too much about them is this little lanyard that's attached to it, but I kept that on during the try on portion, but you can obviously take that off. But yeah, these kind of remind me of work pants, if you guys know what I'm talking about, but since they're denim, they kind of have that like edgy look to them. And once again, you'll see that I did pair this up with the white tee, the white crop tee, classic little outfit for me, white tee and some jeans. And as you guys can see, I'm wearing them with a pair of heels, but I feel like with a pair of clean white sneakers, throw that on as an outfit, and I feel like that would look really nice as well. But yeah, this one I got in a size small. I probably should have gone down to a size extra small to fit me a little bit better around the waist and also around my hips and such, but I wasn't too sure whether they're going to be stretchy or whether they'd be too tight around my thighs. But yeah, I did get these in a size small, which they do fit me. They are quite baggy and loose at that though, so I could have dropped down to an extra small, but regardless, I feel like it kind of adds to the whole loose slouchy effect of them. They're super comfy at that though, even though I did get them in that size. Super comfy, a lot of room inside. And yeah, like I said, these are a type of pants jeans that I've never really ventured into before, but I like the style of them. I think that it's really edgy and it's definitely something that I want to try more of. So the last pair of jeans that I have to show you guys are these ones right here. As you can see, they are super wide-legged. These are actually called the Ester wide leg trouser jeans. Now these jeans have so much potential. I feel like, as you guys can see in the try on portion, they make my legs look really long. They're supposed to be high-waisted, but I got these in the wrong size. I don't know what I was thinking. I got them in a size 26. That's the issue when it comes to picking sizes sometimes. I'm not very good at picking my own size, but also the sizing when it comes to US clothing pieces is a little bit different to that of Australia. So sometimes I do have difficulty picking sizes, and clearly, as you guys will see in the try-on portion, this is way too big for my waist. It doesn't fit me at all, but these have so much potential, you guys. Like, I wish I could resize them or something, because I love the wash, I love the color, the feel of the material, and the fabric is really nice as well. But yeah, unfortunately it just doesn't fit my body. That's definitely my fault for picking the wrong size. I definitely should have gone a lot smaller, but you guys know that the wide leg jean trend is very on trend at the moment. I've been seeing a lot of that lately, which is why I wanted to pick up both pair of these, and these are super wide legged, as you guys can see, like super wide leg. But yeah, that's my fault for getting the wrong size. So annoyed with myself, but like I said, if I could pick a different size, I definitely would, because I feel like these have the potential to be one of my favorite pairs at the moment. It's just that I got the wrong size. All right, so moving on, those are all the jeans done. I do have a few pieces of denim to show you guys that aren't jeans. So we will start off with this jumpsuit right here. Now, denim in a jumpsuit is not something that I thought I would like. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about this when I put it on, because I feel like it kind of reminds me of, like, how do I describe it, like work overalls in that sense. But I put these on and I actually really liked it. So this is the Downtown Vibes jumpsuit. I did pick this up in a size extra small, and I feel like that fits me really nicely. It fits really nicely around my waist and hips, and I feel like there is a little bit of extra room in the like top part of it if you need that up top, you know. If you got a bigger situation in the chest area going on, I feel like there is a lot of room within this jumpsuit to cater to that. One thing as well is that there's not really any distressing going on. I mean, there's like a little bit of distressing and a rip down here, but I didn't realize there was a big rip on the back, which is different. I wasn't expecting it, but I don't mind it. I think it's cute. But yeah, as you guys will see in the try on portion, I did actually like these. I like the color of them too. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it on me, but I actually really like it. So I think it's really cute as well how it comes up with this little lapel at the front here, and the collar, I think that's really nice too. And yeah, overall I think this is a really nice jumpsuit. I like jumpsuits because I feel like you just throw it on, you're good to go. There's no need to like think of what jacket or shirt you're wearing with it. It's just a whole outfit in one, which makes things really easy. Next up, I have a jacket to show you guys. Now, if you know me, you know that I actually do like olive as a color. I love my neutral tones, but if it comes to like colors, olive is definitely one of the colors I love, like olive khaki colors, really into that. So this is the How You Want It denim shirt. It's actually called a shirt, but I would wear this as kind of like a little coat, not so much a coat, but like a jacket. Like, I feel like it's not super thick, it's pretty lightweight, but I would wear this over top as like a jacket, if that makes sense. So as you guys will see in the try on portion, I just paired this up with some simple black bike shorts and the white tee that I'm wearing and a pair of heels, and I feel like that's a really cute outfit in itself. But I love that this is oversized. I feel like whenever it comes to any jackets that I get for myself, I really like getting jackets that are oversized because I feel like it gives me the option to layer underneath if I want to put a hoodie or something, or a thicker type of shirt or undershirt. I feel like it gives me the option to add layers underneath if I'm really trying to stay warm. But as I said, this is quite lightweight, so if it's not super cold just yet, you could get away with wearing this on top of an outfit. Also, if I didn't mention it, I got this in an extra small, and as you guys can see, it is still very much oversized on me, so you probably could go with your regular size and it'll still be oversized on you. And yeah, I just feel like colors like this, olive, you definitely can't go wrong with them for the fall. Alright, last but not least, I have a denim jacket to show you guys. I feel like I couldn't have done a denim haul without a denim jacket. So the one that I picked out is this one right here. This is called the Into the Deep End denim jacket. So the first thing that you guys will notice is that this is a beautiful acid wash kind of vintage looking denim, which I really like when it comes to denim jackets. And it is a little bit cropped as well, which I feel like is really flattering on your body shape because it kind of crops in at the waist, which I feel like is really nice. But in saying that, it is oversized. Like, it does have drop shoulders to it. There is a little bit of extra space in the sleeves as well, so it's oversized but it's cropped, which is my particularly favorite style when it comes to denim jackets. Once again, as you guys can see, I paired this up with the same outfit, bike shorts and a white tee and some heels, and I feel like that's a really easy go-to outfit. You can wear it out, you can even dress it down with a pair of sneakers as well. But all around, I just feel like this is a really nice denim jacket, and because it is a little bit oversized, you could layer up underneath with a hoodie if you want to. Emphasizing reference, I did pick this one up in a size small, and as you can see, it gives me lots of room inside. And once again, I'd have to say my favorite thing about this is the wash and the color. I just love that vintage acid wash feel that it has going on. So there we have you guys. Those are all the items that I have to share with you for today's Fashion Nova haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you to comment down below and let me know which piece was your favorite. For me, it would definitely have to be the first pair of jeans that I showed you guys. I feel like those jeans made me look like a whole different person. But like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below and click the bell as well so you don't miss any more videos that I post. I'm going to leave all the links to each piece down in the description box below if you want to go and check them out for yourselves. But as usual, I will talk to you in the comments. I hope you're staying safe, looking after yourselves and looking out for each other, and I'll see you in my next video.